In late 2017, Elon Musk stood on a stage and showed the world something unexpected, the Tesla Semi. A fully electric, futuristic-looking semi-truck that claimed to crush diesel competitors in both performance and efficiency. At the time, it seemed almost too ambitious. Could a company best known for sleek electric cars really enter the world of heavy-duty trucking and deliver something revolutionary? Years went by with delays and silence, but in late 2022, Tesla finally began limited deliveries of the first-generation Tesla Semi to PepsiCo. Now, in 2025, Tesla is preparing to move into full-scale production, and a second-generation version is on the horizon. The Tesla Semi Gen 2 is more than just a refresh, it's a sign that Tesla is serious about disrupting the $1 trillion global trucking industry. From battery upgrades and new motors to Tesla's plan for a dedicated Giga Semifactory, the new Tesla Semi could change freight transportation in a big way. When the Tesla Semi was first shown in 2017, its specs sounded almost unreal. It was supposed to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5 seconds without a trailer and 20 seconds with a full 80,000-pound load. Musk said it would have a range of 300 to 500 miles depending on the version and cost less than $2 per mile to operate, much lower than diesel trucks at the time. People were excited, but also skeptical. Semi-trucks carry heavy loads for long distances, and batteries are heavy and expensive. Some critics thought Tesla would never deliver. But in December 2022, PepsiCo got its first Tesla Semis, and the results surprised many. Pepsi used the trucks in real routes and confirmed that one truck went over 500 miles on a single charge, fully loaded. Tesla also showed that the truck could recharge up to 70% in about 30 minutes using a new charging tech called the Megacharger. These early tests showed that the Tesla Semi could actually compete with diesel trucks, at least in some areas. Still, Tesla didn't rush to mass-produce the truck. Instead, it kept the first-generation Semi limited, with only a few hundred made at a small facility near the Nevada Gigafactory. Why the delay? It seems Tesla was using this time to learn from real-world use, improve the design, and plan for something much bigger. That something bigger is now becoming clear. Tesla has announced that it will build a new dedicated semi-production line in Nevada, called the Giga Semifactory. This facility will be part of a $3.6 billion investment to expand Tesla's presence in Nevada. The new plant will eventually produce up to 50,000 semis per year, a huge leap from the current output. With this major expansion, Tesla is also working on the Gen 2 Tesla Semi. While full details aren't public yet, Elon Musk has hinted at several key improvements. First, Tesla is likely to use its newer 4,680 battery cells in the Semi. These cells are more energy-dense and cheaper to produce than older ones, which could help reduce weight and cost while increasing range. The Gen 1 Semi likely used older 2,170 cells, which limited how many trucks Tesla could build. The switch to 4680 should remove that bottleneck. Second, the new Semi may include upgraded drive units, possibly similar to those used in the Cybertruck. These new electric motors are smaller, lighter, and use less rare materials. They're also designed to be very efficient, which matters a lot in a truck that runs thousands of miles each month. The improved motors could help the Semi accelerate faster, climb hills more easily, and use less energy overall. Third, the Gen 2 Semi will likely have a more refined cabin. The first-generation truck already has a unique design, with the driver sitting in the center like a race car driver. This setup improves visibility and safety. The Gen may second add better screens, more storage, and more comfortable seating. Since drivers spend long hours in their trucks, comfort and ease of use matter. Tesla might also use new manufacturing techniques in the Gen 2. Tesla has been working on something called the unboxed process, where parts of the vehicle are built separately and then snapped together. This method speeds up production and cuts costs. If Tesla applies this to the Semi, it could produce trucks faster and cheaper than traditional makers. But one of the biggest challenges for electric semis is charging. Diesel trucks can refuel almost anywhere, while electric ones need high-powered chargers. Tesla has a plan for this too. It's building megachargers at key locations, especially near PepsiCo and other early customers. These chargers are powerful, around 1 megawatt, and can give the Semi hundreds of miles of range in under an hour. Over time, Tesla wants to create a full megacharger network along major freight routes. This would let electric trucks travel coast to coast without delays. There's also a software advantage. Tesla vehicles are known for their smart features like autopilot and real-time route planning. The Semi will benefit from these tools too. With Tesla's fleet software, a company can track each truck, optimize delivery routes, and reduce downtime. If the Semi eventually gets full self-driving ability, that could transform the entire industry. No other truck maker is as far ahead in AI and autonomy. Right now, the trucking world is at a turning point. Diesel trucks are expensive to run, need lots of maintenance, and pollute heavily. Electric trucks like the Tesla Semi promise lower costs, smoother driving, and zero tailpipe emissions. For shipping companies, this isn't just about being green, it's about saving money. Tesla claims the Semi could save up to $200,000 in fuel over 3 years. Multiply that by a fleet of 100 trucks, and the savings are huge. Still, there are competitors. Companies like Daimler, Volvo, and Nikola are also working on electric semis. Some use batteries, others hydrogen fuel cells. But Tesla has one big advantage: its ecosystem. Tesla makes its own batteries, motors, software, and even charging stations. This vertical integration lets Tesla move faster and cut costs better than others who rely on suppliers. And let's not forget brand power. Tesla has a strong following and a reputation for making exciting, high-tech products. That matters when companies want to show they're modern and care about the environment. A fleet of shiny Tesla semis sends a strong message. As the Gen 2 Semi rolls out, we'll learn more about pricing, performance, and delivery timelines. But the big picture is already clear. Tesla isn't just dabbling in trucking, it's going all in. With new factories, better batteries, and smarter software, the Tesla Semi is ready to challenge the old way of moving goods. Whether it can fully replace diesel trucks remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: the trucking world is changing, and Tesla is driving that change forward. The path forward is not without challenges. Battery supply chains remain tight, and building megacharger stations across North America will take time and money. There's also the matter of government regulations, which differ across states and countries. And while Tesla's automation promises big savings, it's not yet approved for full hands-free driving in trucks. But these are problems Tesla has faced before in the car world, and it has a track record of pushing through. Customers seem ready. PepsiCo is expanding its Tesla Semi fleet and has reported strong performance. Other companies, like Walmart and UPS, have also placed reservations. If Tesla can ramp up production quickly, it may find more demand than it can meet. Over the next few years, the roads might start to look very different. Diesel engines replaced horse-drawn wagons over a century ago. Now, battery-powered machines may take over from diesel. With the Tesla Semi Gen 2 and the Giga Semifactory preparing for mass rollout, the future of freight is coming fast, and it's electric.